Hello, children. Our learning objective for today's lesson is to use a ruler to draw lines to the nearest millimeter. All right, let's take a question. Draw a line of length 95 millimeters. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So let's place the ruler first. Let's mark the 0 point. And since it is 95 millimeters, let's count in tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this point is a 95 millimeters. You can see that this slightly longer line between 9 and 10 is nothing but 5 millimeters. Alright, so let's mark this point and hold your ruler in place, take your pencil and draw a line. We have still not labeled a line, so let's do that. Alright, so we finished drawing line of 95 millimeters. Wow, thank you. Let's go ahead. Alright, the second question is draw a line 2.5 centimeters shorter than 95 millimeter. Now, if you read carefully, it is centimeters over here and not millimeters. Alright? We know 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So how much would be 2 centimeters? Correct. So 2 centimeters would be 20 millimeters. What about half a centimeter? We know about 2, but what about this half centimeter? Again, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So half centimeter would be half of 10. That would be 5 millimeters. So 5 millimeters is equal to half a centimeter. So we have to make a line which is 2.5 centimeter shorter than 95 millimeters. So let's place the ruler, mark a 0 point and see where is 95 millimeters on this scale. If you could point it out. Alright, it is right here. But our line has to be shorter. So we are going to do skip counting backwards or forwards. Yes, we should be going backwards. Why? Because it is shorter, we have to minus this 2.5 from this 95. Alright? So starting from here, let's first take half centimeter as a jump. Why? So that rest of our jumps become easier. First we'll take a jump of half centimeter. So we are done with this. How much is left? 2 centimeters. So from 95 millimeters, I'm done with half a centimeter jump. Alright. And then I'll take 2 jumps of 1 centimeter each. So 1, 2, alright. So it is 2 centimeters over here and half a centimeter jump over here. So have I got my exact point what I was looking for? Yes. So my new line is going to be 7 centimeters long, or my new line is going to be 70 millimeters long. So let's mark this point. Now hold your ruler in place, take your pencil and draw a straight line. What is still remaining? We need to label our line. Alright, so we are done with it. Now let's take another question. Draw a line 2 centimeters longer than 37 millimeters. Again, if you read carefully, here it is 2 centimeters and not millimeters. Alright, so we have placed our ruler. You can either mark your 0 point and go up to 37 millimeters and then count each line up to 20 lines, because we know that 2 centimeter is nothing but 20 millimeters. So you'll have to count each individual line, that is 20 lines. All right. Or there is another way. So let's learn this new way of doing it. So let's do a little rough work. We will add this 37 millimeters and 2 centimeters so that we get the measurement of the new line. Now, why are we adding and not subtracting? Yes, because the line is longer and not shorter, right? Okay, so let's do our rough work here. 37 millimeters plus 20 millimeters. From where did I get this 20? 2 centimeters, nothing but 20 millimeters. So I've written it up over here, is equal to 57 millimeters. Now I have got the measurement of my new line. Now let's make it a little more easy for ourselves and partition this number. So 57, when we partition into tens and ones, it is 50 plus 7. So we can easily take jumps of 10 up to 50 and then count 7 lines. Alright, so let's do it. Mark the 0 point. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We are done with 50. What is left? 7. So we'll take a short jump over here of 5, because we know that middle line is nothing but 5 millimeters, correct? And then we have to go 6 and 7. So this small jump of 2 lines. All right. So this is a point. Now let's mark the point. Now hold your ruler in place, take your pencil and draw a line. Don't forget to label it. All right. So awesome job, all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.